Hello, Ritma. So we're doing the testing on your floodlight. Okay, we're applying on the power cabinet the PLC solution. So I'll make it simple. It's connected to, as you can see, to the power cabinet, the driver, and there you have your floodlight in excellent condition still. And we have here the PLC module. Okay, so on this side it's off now. So on this side, Diogo is going to turn it on. That's the first exercise we're going to do. So, okay, so it's, where is it? Here it is. It's on now. And it turned on. Okay. All right, that's the first. Now, what Diogo's going to do in the software, he's going to reduce to 10%. Okay. So here, you're seeing that it's dimming down all the way to 10%. Okay, so we can do probably 50%, Diogo, or Yeah. So he's doing it again on 50, and then you can see that, well, it's not really okay. There you go, you got it. Okay, so basically